Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Pretty easy one here today. We got some 2024 calendars in, and we'll put little flash ups what the pictures actually look like up in this general area. It's a pretty impromptu video, so stick with me on this. I did get a copy of my calendars from Walmart because, you know, trying to save some money on the cost so I can drive the cost of the calendars down. But that was a terrible mistake, and honestly, it was the worst calendars I've ever received. So if you're watching this, I would steer clear of Walmart if you're doing custom calendars, especially if you're doing a black background on any of your pictures at the top. So let's go open this up and see how this looks. These ones are from Snapfish, so hopefully this is better. Usually I go through Vistaprint, and they're good. I really do like Vistaprint quality, but they are kind of expensive when you're trying to get a lot of sales, because if you try and sell them, people usually don't want to pay that much for calendars. So let's see how these turned out. Nice packaging. That's much better than Walmart. Walmart was literally just an envelope with calendars stuck in it. So much better. I'm definitely pleased with these ones. Much better quality. So the first one we picked up here is the Aviation one. We'll just flip through that real quick. You got a little jet there, basically the size of a compact car. Pretty cool. A lot of these were taken at Columbus and Cleveland, Ohio. Pretty cool. F-18 Super Hornet. P-51C. Got the F-22 Raptor on there. Dope. Thunderbirds. That actually came out pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. Nice, nice. Now, just so you know, obviously this is the first time I've seen these from Snapfish. I've never really ordered anything from Snapfish. This is pretty cool. Honestly, the image quality is pretty nice, especially for the price you pay. You can even see the rivets on the side of her plane. Pretty cool. Okay, so that's the Aviation one. Let's see what the next one is. Now, this is the 6th year I've done these calendars, or sold calendars in general. Got a lot of paper dust on them. Birds Volume 5. Sandhill Crane. Junko. That's one of my favorite pictures from last year. Just honestly, it's still printed with a lot of detail, so that's pretty cool. I didn't think it was going to be able to print with a lot of detail. What was that? Oh, the Horn Grabe. Pretty cool. Eastern Bluebird. That was pretty cool too. Film. Actually, on this one I used a film emulation on it from Dehancer. I got a video on that if you want to check it out. Or I do like a lot of their film simulations. Tree Swallow. Not bad. Blue Wing Teal. Pretty decent. Osprey. Cedar Waxwing. Hooded Merganser. Panning Shot. I really like this one too. Belted Kingfisher. That was a super heavy crop on the Z9 photo, but held up pretty good. That's probably like a 200% crop from a 45 megapixel image. Held up pretty nice. Female wood duck. Common Merganser running across the water. Okay, so that was the birds. And then the other option we got is something I called Altitude. I think it's pretty cool. It's a pictures from the drone throughout the year. Got a big old rainstorm there. Little sunset action over some green fields. I wasn't really able to get any winter photos yet with the drone, so these are kind of just like spring, summer, fall style. You got milk house meats. If you're from Beaver County in Pennsylvania, you'll know all about milk house meats. Wildwood, New Jersey. Really cool sunset we saw there. It was like electric red. I've never seen a sunset that red. We got a lake up in Titusville, Pennsylvania. After a heavy rain with a little bit of a sunset going on there over Beaver Falls. A little sunset over North Swickley. Oh, it's windy out. Hopefully it didn't blow the camera over. There we go. Getting to some fall colors. We got Warren, Pennsylvania. We got Betts Park down here. More fall colors. Brush Creek Park. We got Ludlow, Pennsylvania, my hometown, best place ever. Kane, Pennsylvania, in the fall, setting sun. Setting sun really illuminates the leaves and the colors and stuff in the fall. So that's the key to get nice colors whenever you're trying to get some fall foliage from the drone. Then we have the Allegheny Reservoir, Kinzua Dam. I know the lighting out here isn't the best for showing these calendars off, but from the pictures popping up, you get a pretty good idea. Now, I am selling these calendars for $25 a piece this year. Dropped the price. I was able to find a cheaper place than Vistaprint to buy them from. So, if you're interested in buying one from watching the YouTube video, send me an email. Let me know, and we can arrange payment through PayPal. If you're in the U.S., I should be able to get you free shipping. So that'd be pretty cool. And also, I want to say thanks to the one member that I've gotten so far for the YouTube channel. I really, really appreciate that. We'll put a little scroll up here with the username. And at the end of all the videos in the future, since I opened membership to the channel, it's $1.99 a month, I will put a scroll here of all the new members to thank them. And honestly, I really appreciate it. I know it's only $2. It doesn't seem like much, but it means the world. I really do appreciate it. But if you buy any calendars, join the membership, anything like that, buy merchandise, t-shirts, whatever, I really appreciate that. All the information is down in the description of the video. And until then, I'll see you out there. Good luck.